Arr, mateys, time to swab the deck.
Is your boat looking like shit? Well, let's help you out and get it clean.
Well, really? Okay. Maybe your boat's been sitting in the water for a little too long and you're on the lift or you're at the high and dry or whatnot. You're not to the point where barnacles are growing yet, but you got that stain line, right? Mm-hmm. This is on off. It's bottom and hull cleaner. It works really well. You can take this, be careful, you don't want to like be breathing it in. It does have like probably muriatic acid or something in it, so you got to kind of watch how you do it. But it will remove tough waterline stains and works really, really well.
It's also really good on rust spots. It's taken a lot of rust spots off of my boat. Yeah. Well, if your boat's sitting outside and it's been in the elements, your vinyl probably needs some love, right? Your seats, even if it's covered, sometimes you get that mildew underneath there and it needs to be cleaned anyway. You've got Spray 9. This is great for vinyl cleaning. And anytime that you clean your vinyl, or really anytime you clean your boat at all, you're gonna wanna make sure that you go in afterwards with a protectant. And that's what this is right here. This 303 is going to be great to go in afterwards and just kind of seal it up, make sure that everything that you just took out stays out. But these two are excellent for the upholstery and vinyl on your boat. Yeah,
303 is really remarkable stuff. Really good on rub rails too. So say you got a Boston Whaler and you got that black rub rail going along there and all that stuff, that 303 protectant, it'll make that thing shine like brand new. Awesome. Let's just jump over to this. So our one of our parts guys, he loves this on his boat. Non-skid, right? You know how sometimes it's hard to get down in all those little nooks and crannies and all that stuff? He swears by this stuff. So it's non-skid deck cleaner. So read the directions, but you basically spray it on, scrub it on there and stuff like that. And Josh told me, he goes, be careful though when that deck is wet. It's super slippery.
Yeah, super slippery.
But then once it dries, it's all good and all that stuff. But really, really good stuff here. Brite bilge cleaner. Got to be careful what you put in your bilges, right? Mm-hmm. So bilge pump fills up, or your bilge fills up with water. It's going to pump it into the environment. This is environmentally safe. It's environmentally friendly, so it can go overboard. Mm-hmm. Also another tip, those of you that may have cruiser boats or you have showers and shower drains and sinks that go into a sump box, sometimes soap, scum, hair, all that stuff will get in there. There is a way you can pop the lid off and you can clean it out. But if you just pour some of this bilge cleaner down your shower drain, it'll end up going down into that sump box. It'll clean that sump box out. And then, you know, it will get pumped overboard, but it's totally okay with this. And then last but not least, the guys in the parts department handed me this. Any of these products you can get at your MarineMax store. If they don't have the exact product here, they'll be able to get it for you. Mm-hmm. This is just an all-in-one spotless shine cleaner. So your acrylic windshields, your glass windows, the cowlings on your engines, this stuff goes on there. It makes them look like super slick, nice and shiny. Mm-hmm. So really, really good products. So
yeah. We know everybody's favorite part of the day is coming home and cleaning the boat, right? But if you're gonna do it, then you should do it right. Use the right products, environmentally safe products, and as Captain Keith said, all this stuff is available at our parts and service departments at our stores.
Awesome. That's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
See you guys on the water.